Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Have changed my mind. I am not gonna show you my Yoshi collection. I'm gonna show you my toy collection. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have my Yoshis. That's all of them. Like they dig right down. They go right down to there. That's a lot of. I've got a little feeling that might be over 200. No, 219. I have a feeling it might be like 300. Okay. Next, I have my Marvel Yoshi's Collector's Guide. It's Golden Spider-Man. Cool. Now I have the Marvel Yoshi's updated Collector's Guide with Golden Loki. Nice. Awesome. Next I have the Disney Yoshi's Collector's Guide with Golden Elsa. Cool. I like it. My favorite one is the new Marvel Yoshi's updated Collector's Guide. I like that one a bit, but not heaps, but a little bit. Okay, next I have my limited edition Yoshi collection. Nice. Now you guys may hear some music. I like these Yoshis. Next I have my Pokemon book. Let's go. That's my Pikachu coin. Here's one thing. That GX is fake. And also, that's a secret rare. This also is fake.
What do you want?
That's the Pokemon book. Next I have the Foxy Pop of mine. That's cool. It's from Five Nights at Freddy's. There's a big fat head. And I like the silver part. Cool. Next we have some Pokemon cards. have more than that. I have more Pokemon cards than this. I just don't know where they are. Cool. Next I have a Mangle toy. Cool. Now I have another kind of these Mangle toy, except I have a Barney, and I have coloured it in and ripped it up a bit to make it look a bit wizardy. I did this like 4 months ago. Cool. Next I have a Ballora toy. That's also cool. Next I have some coins from the treasure hunt that happened last school holidays. Those are nice. Next I have this Foxy plush, Phantom Foxy, and and a Funtime Foxy plush. And a Mango plush. And a Nightmare Freddy plush. Next I have this box thingy with nothing in it. If you're wondering what this writing says, it says do not touch. Cool. Next I have this Treasure Island book. Robot Riot. McGrowl. The Adventures of Santa Claus. The Secret Seven. Posh Puff. Rare Rabbit, which I really hate. And I'll be back with some more books. Let's start that again. And I'll be back with some more books. Okay, now I have Ben 10 storybooks. Goosebumps. Just a Dog. Herobrine Goes to School, and it's book 1. And Captain Underpants. Now, I'll bring in some more books. Next we have Tiny Timmy Makes the Grade. Wolves of the... Let me start that again. Wolves of the Beyond Lone Wolf. Next we have Captain Underpants. Next we have Captain Underpants and the Attack of the Talking Toilets. And then we have 2 K-Zone Splat books. And then 1001 Cool Jokes. Now we'll bring in a few more books. Now I have Minecraft. Awesome Aussie Jokes. Iggler's Christmas Jokes. Zack Power. Zack Power Test Drive. Attack of the Giant Robot Zombie Mermaid. Pokemon the series Sun and Moon, the Pokemon School Challenge. The World's Scariest Joke Book. And Zack Power Foul Play. If you're wondering if the World's Scariest Joke Book is really scary, it's not scary. Look, I'll tell you one joke. Look. I'll take away the joke. I'll show you. Why does the vampire bat of school? Why was the vampire bat of school? Wait. Why was the Okay, let me start that again. Why was the vampire bat of school? Flu. That's not scary. Okay, now I'll bring in a few more books. Okay, now I have over 1001 fantastic science facts. Then I have a different kind of K-Zone Splat book. Next I have dinosaurs. And that's all the books I have. Next I have two Skylanders. This one. And this one. I love this one. This one's really big and cool. Nice. Next I have Nova. And White Tiger. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!